this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5.3-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got the tow hitch, we got side bed steps, we do get some nice grid steps as well, a bed liner with this vehicle, we got mud flaps on the rear and front, some nice black fender flares, we got some nice grip to running boards on either side, and moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice GMC Grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably with this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior with plenty of door space in the back. You get some gray accents, your 6 additional seats just right there, and of course you do get a nice little bench seat that you can lift up for extra storage capabilities. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty more door space up front, powered mirrors, powered windows, we got a trailer brake, 4-wheel drive capabilities, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 119,760 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control, got your tow and haul mode, your speeds, wipers, and looking here, you get your average fuel economy. We're going to click through these, or just turn, tire pressure, oil life, transmission fluid, trailer brake, engine hours, units, comm screen, digital speedometer, and to wherever we get tons of storage, cup holders, little storage here and here, your 6 additional seat with the seat belt. You do get some 12 volt here and another outlet, and more storage here, which is pretty nice. Traction and bed light, climate controls, media controls, storage above and below, and above me we got our lights for our doors, all that fun. And looking here, we have our AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. And we're gonna go home real quick. We have our audio, gallery, phone, OnStar services, and shifting into reverse, we got that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC76386B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.